Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here guys once again with breaking news and a brand new drone that is coming to the market. But this time it's not DJI guys. Today it's Sony. Sony is ready to battle DJI with a brand new drone, and in today's video we're going to be sharing with you all of the info that you need to know about this brand new upcoming drone, all the specs, the release date, and everything you might expect. So without any much further ado, we're gonna get started. But before we do so, make sure that you guys subscribe here in the channel if you guys want to participate in our next giveaway, okay? Which will be the price? How big will the price be? Well, that's going to depend on how much of your guys' support we get here in the channel. If we get a little support, maybe we'll give away a filter, a landing pad, or maybe just a case. But if we get a really good amount of support and a good support from all of you guys, well, we might even go ahead and give away another drone here in the channel. So if you guys want to see that happening, you all know what you gotta do. Hit that subscribe button. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one guys. Today we had some really exciting news that came out of nowhere. Sony is ready to enter the drone world. That's right, today Sony just hit us with a YouTube video, a 13-second video where they showed us a picture of their new project. What am I even talking about here? Well, it's called the Sony Airpeak, okay? That, I think that's going to be the name for Sony's new drone, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead guys and share the picture that we got from Sony today, okay? There we have the picture guys. So this is something very exciting because finally we're gonna be having some competition in the market. But before talking about that, we're gonna go ahead and analyze that picture, because there's some, even though it's the classical DJI style, we get a lot of shadow and we really don't see the product at all. We have some very interesting info we can take out of that picture. So the first thing that we see guys is the body. It looks like we have the left side of the arm of the drone, okay? That's interesting because we can clearly see there's a green light in the arm, okay? Pay close attention to that. Also, we see the props. It looks like a plastic, but what's very interesting is that we don't have some sort of quick release method like what we see here on DJI drone, that you just push in and twist and you get the propeller out. We can actually see the screws for the propeller, so that's very interesting. We can clearly see that this drone will be using a screw-on propeller, so that's interesting. What else can we see? Well, we see that this part right here of the arm, it's black plastic. It's a really nice matte black. But then there's a little tiny bit that we can see right here in the arm, and that is carbon fiber. That's right guys, Sony is going to be implementing carbon fiber on their brand new upcoming drone, and I'm just super excited because that means it's going to be super strong, super pretty, and super light. So I mean, carbon fiber, it's a no-brainer in a drone. I just love whenever there's carbon in a drone. Amazing. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's talk about what can we expect from Sony and when is actually going to be the release date, okay? So this drone is expected, we have a confirmed release date by Sony that it will be coming on a spring of 2021, okay? So I mean, that's just less than 6 months away. I'm super excited. Why? Well, because this is going to be something we've never seen before from Sony, and what they're saying us is that we're going to be seeing their technological expertise and AI robotics, so in artificial intelligence, okay? So this is something very interesting because I think we might even see some sort of combination between the Mavic 2 Pro and Skydi's artificial intelligence, where it's able to avoid all type of obstacles. That's my prediction. But what is Sony best known for? Their cameras. That's right, in my opinion they have some of the best cameras for photographers out there. They're mirrorless DSLR cameras, and I mean they have some incredible professional photographer stuff. So I think this is going to be some serious competition for DJI. So DJI, pay close attention and take note, because Sony is coming with everything they got at you. So better get started working on that Mavic 3 before they release this Airpeak. So this is great because whenever there's new competition on the market, there's more innovation. Unfortunately, we saw that GoPro tried to do this with the Karma. It didn't went well, but I mean, I think Sony is a completely different story. They have much more budget, they're a much stronger company, and I mean, they have the expertise, which is the most important thing. And also, one important thing to note is that Sony is the one that actually gives DJI their sensors for the drone. So actually, this is a Sony IMX sensor, okay? The one that we find on the Mavic Air 2 is a half-inch sensor from Sony. So I mean, I think we're gonna be seeing some serious drone come out from Sony. And I mean, guys, make sure you stay tuned, because according to Sony, they're going to be giving us updates as the release that comes in closer. So, and also as soon as we have any new leaks, info, and official information from Sony, we're going to be keeping you updated here in the channel. And as soon as that comes out, you're gonna be hearing it first here in the channel. So that's all of the information that we have for all of you guys. This is very exciting. We have a brand new drone from Sony, and this is great news because this is going to be pushing DJI to release that Mavic 3 that everyone wants to see. So I think we're going to be seeing a Mavic 3 for sure next year, okay? So with that being said, guys, that's all that we have for you today. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.